Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds REDMI Buds 6 Pro with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard. Then write Bluetooth and you will see Bluetooth and other devices. You need to press at this line or click enter. Okay, now you need to click pair new device at the right top, but if you have Windows 10 you will see this button at the top. So press on it, and in this window we need to select Bluetooth. Now open the charging case, and if your earbuds do not connect it with another devices, this earbuds enter to prank mode automatically. But we can enter to prank mode manually. At the bottom of the charging case we have connection button. You need to press and hold it until this LED light on the front side starts blinking white. Here we go. And we just enter to prank mode, so we should see this headphones as a device list. Press on it and then click done. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!